Hey guys, we're playing Animal Company, but we cannot buy anything. Yay. I got a cheese from the picnic table, so let's go. The first place I might want to go is probably Sue's. You might find a light store there. My friend probably will be home shortly. Do not know where he is. I don't... He's looking for a sunset? Uh-oh. I'm safe. I'm safe. Just in case I get damaged, I have cheese. Hey. My friend is having technical difficulties. I cannot talk today. He's having some technical difficulty. There is a Kraken is here. Where? Oh, he's joined. Bro, do not buy a backpack or flashlight, nothing. We're going. Absolutely nothing. Oh God. My friend might technical difficulties. Where'd the pipe go? He's not here yet. Okay. He'll probably hopefully be on shortly. I have no idea. I found the pipe. Oh, we can't tell us anything. Okay? Nothing. Where'd you go? He had to respawn? We'll wait for him to come back. Run! I'm in soup. Help! No. I'm sewers. I'm in sewers. I have not fell yet, and I'm going back up. Where are you? Are you in sewers? Oh, I just got up. Use your radio when we're talking so the people know what we're talking about, okay?
Okay, fall down in sewers.
I already made it out. Okay, remember, use your radio. The people need to know what you're saying so they know what we're saying, okay? Use your radio. Use your radio.
Hey, did you fall down?
Yes. Hey, can you help me? Oh.
Kind of in a picture myself.
All right.
Happy birthday, Daniel. Happy birthday, Daniel. Happy birthday, Daniel. Happy. How about we team up on him?
Do not move. You're dying.
Happy birthday, Mr. Coconut.
Okay. Why is there a backpack down here? Where's my stuff? Oh God.
Oh, that's because that was used to be my old backpack. But I had to throw it. Let's get one of these. Trick shot.
Oh, here's my stuff.
I think it's gonna be hard.
Here's
for us
an
to get
umbrella.
bags. Got an umbrella.
I just threw an umbrella at you.
The rationing. Oh my gosh, I thought you were a mimic.
No.
Let's go.
I travel good.
Oh gosh.
Do not ask. I'm finna die. Okay, I'm still alive. Where are you? You need to be more careful next time, okay, man? And we're coming to you. It's not that bad. I'll have to come back for my rusty pipe.
Oh gosh.
I'll have to come back for my stuff. I cannot see.
Go forward. Forward. My life right.
Oh God.
Yo, double kill.
Okay, I need all my stuff back. Okay, I need my rusty pipe. Where the heck is my rusty pipe?
Over here.
Where?
Over here.
Give me it. Oh dang. Where is my whatever it's called?
What? Umbrella?
No. I have that. My jumping thing. Oh my goodness, I cannot.
Pogo stick?
Yes, where is it? I need it. I found it. I found a pogo stick.
Don't ask what happened.
I'm not dead.
I wasn't trying to aim for you.
It looked like it.
No, you were walking in front of the ore that I had. Mom, the flower open. You wanna go mine place to the. Oh, I don't not want to fall.
Turn into Mary Poppins.
found the exit. Did they update? Oh gosh, I almost left. You wanna go to Vines?
Not yet. Not yet, bro.
I have a way to get airdrops. I could be your personal airdrop. So I jump in, I swoop down, and boom.
Okay, bro. I know the next place we need to go.
Hippos, yes, the get goop. We will need
Okay, we do not need the pogo stick. It's kind of useless. Oh God,
we need flashlights.
we can't buy anything. Oh,
We're like-
I see. I have a little bit of light. Oh, it's gone.
If you die on accident, oh gosh, they updated it.
Watch out.
This way.
You better not kill me, and I better not kill you. So,
Never mind. It's time to glide.
Ow. I thought it was this way.
No. I found crack.
You found it? Yes.
I
You
can't
found
see.
it. I can't see either.
We know crack is gray.
Hey! Die! Die! Die!
Help! Oh, it got one-shotted. I have a bomb. Just in case he comes back.
He always comes back.
Oh gosh.
Oh.
I'm so sorry. Where are we supposed to go?
Lava.
What happened? Oh, I can't see. I think I can kill the spider. I'm so glad we have umbrellas.
Yes, this
Without these, we
would
would have
be
died.
way harder. Remember, spiders are more sensitive.
Hey, we're over here, bud.
Hello, spider! Die! 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 Die!
Oh gosh! Enemy down. I mean target down. I mean friend down. Friendly fire.
We
Can't
now
see.
know friendly fire is on.
Hey, I have a light. Red watch.
Oh, good idea. Good idea. Now you have a light.
This way? Nope. Where'd you go?
I found a second umbrella.
Where?
Here.
You're gone. Come on, come on.
I found a trophy. Trophy. Your red watch will run out. Yes. I
What?
think it's the wrong way.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
I
I found it.
Really?
Yeah.
I cannot see you.
Spider respawn. Last second. Oh, you're not.
Help. I'm dead. I can see better now. Revive me.
Oh my gosh. Twin, look at the mimic. I died, pal.
Yes. Yes. Ow! Stop killing me.
Red watch.
We don't need a light. We already made it. Watch your height.
I'm gonna put my thing in my hip slot.
I do not have hip light.
Oh, they made it to where there's a stream now. Please tell me that we can see stuff.
Hopefully we can well, we saw the stuff, the loot, so
I found it. Our best chances are killing the red light,
okay.
green light.
We need to keep a couple of these too because they're light sources.
Oh yes, they are. Well, they're not really that good of a light source.
But it's basically the only
It gives it gives off light just in case we get lost.
It gives off a little.
Wish I had a flashlight, bro. Oh gosh.
Yeah, but this is a challenge. That's
Twin?
yeah.
You do not want to know.
Okay, I got all the stuff I wanted for my torch. Hey,
You do not want to know how dark it is.
help me.
The moment you fall down, you're quite literally cooked.
Okay, I got this tiny bit of light source.
I can see. I'm a fly. I'm a fly. Hi, bud.
What's up?
Feeding him some yummy.
We have to even out the goop between each, get an even amount, so it's fair. This challenge.
Yes.
He's getting fat.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I get 5. You get 5.
Think I'm gonna put the goop on my umbrella.
Okay,
You know,
1, 2, 3, 4,
Shout out to Chubbier Snail for doing this.
5. Chubby Snow was not the first to do that, by the way.
Yeah.
Do not shout him out.
Wow.
He's a good YouTuber, but he's becoming like Kalis, kinda. He's getting more brain rotted.
He says 6 seconds.
Yeah, help me.
No, twin.
No.
It can kill you.
Yeah, I did not know that. I
Fly
jumped
down.
into it and I did not think it could be.
Twin, fly down. Hurry, twin.
Hey,
I hope it is. Okay, so my friend had a problem with his left controller and it all revived him. Can we kill the guy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's all the goop we need.
Ah, okay, yeah. Let's collect stuff.
I was trying to get the clam.
Come. Oh my gosh.
This, help me.
Fly upwards. Fly down, fly down.
Okay, I'm not going to attempt this time. That time
Okay,
was
then-
not on purpose.
Twin, run.
Okay, grab a clam.
Okay, now we have storage. We have better storage. Because we can connect things. Oh, this does give us a little light.
See? You just attach them to your body.
Yeah, it does give us like one little light.
Bro, the amount of goop is, oh god. The amount of goop we have is the equivalent to a small bag. Press the button.
Where do you want to go now, Sergeant?
Sergeant, what?
I have goop on my bag, so guys, I think we could, like, you know, when we get some stuff, we can collect it with the goop. And we also have extra storage. I'm gonna put this.
The last time I jumped into the clam was not on purpose.
I'm a claw.
Not a clam, oh my gosh, the worm.
Do you want to go to Dark Forest when we're like most prepared?
Yeah. I'm gonna put all the light on this umbrella. Just put it on the middle. Wait, 1 sec, let me go to the mirror. Okay,
I'm gonna turn off the lights.
in the room or in the game? I don't know how you would do it in the game, but
Toma puseta.
now we have a small backpack worth
Look.
of goop.
Me bomb.
I would like a bomb. Oh, well.
Oh gosh. Can I have my thing back?
Wait a minute. Bro, That's kind of convenient.
I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a chud.
Hopefully that's not copyright.
Get out! Guys, I just realized we can make a weapon out of umbrellas.
I just realized. Boom. Fun.
We can like do this, we can close it and start stabbing with sharp weapons.
Raw.
Look.
I'm just gonna. 3, 4.
Chat, look at my drip. How much? Sorry. I have seizures.
What?
How much?
What? Oh, that's weird.
Airdrop incoming.
Bro, look at
Yes.
the umbrella like this. Now it's straight, and now it's on the side.
What?
Yeah, I've never noticed that. There's a little myth for y'all.
Where do you want to go?
Wait, turn it off. I want to see if it does it for you. Yeah, that's weird. I've never known that. And I got a little
Let's go, guys.
light.
Where do you want to go now?
Want to go to Dark Forest for an absolutely no reason? Wait, actually, I have.
Oh, we can kill the ogre.
Yeah, one sec. We can't have nothing, remember? Oh god, I forgot. I have cosmetics.
With our rusty pot. Bro, the shadow boss one looks so good with this.
Yeah, I forgot. We have to start with nothing. I took off my cosmetics.
Oh, what the heck?
Start with nothing. Okay, let's go to Dark Forest. I want that mask cosmetic. If you mind,
You already have it.
video, just take that off because we're gonna go get that, and it'll equip automatically. Just take the mask off. Okay. I'm gonna go get the mask. I think he's coming with me.
Yes. Oh, gosh.
Eh.
800 research points with shades? Dang.
I think it's oh. The pipe.
Alright, guys, let's go.
Okay. You know what? Just for the sake of the video, I'll let you keep your shadow boss. Is that your favorite
okay.
cosmetic, the shadow boss?
Yeah.
Okay, since it's your favorite, I'll let you keep it.
Go beat it. Let's go beat the some monster we can easily kill. Okay, where's the ogres?
Oh, I think it's updated. But, bro, I know I see
Let's go.
the mask from somewhere, but I have no idea where.
Me neither.
This chicken is stuck. Oh, it didn't drop anything anyway. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where are you? Oh, there you are. There's the ogre. There's the ogre. Okay, I'm not going that way. I'm kind of wall climbing here. It's weird. Are you dead? Are you dead? Oh.
Pal. I'm rage baiting him.
Okay, let's move this way. I think it might be this way. Are you sure? Or are you double sure? I found the pipe. We'll take that way out next time. Activate your umbrella.
Oh, that's... Yeah, my thing's activated. Should we slaughter that angular fish that's coming near us?
Graveyard's this way. See?
Oh, yeah. You wanna go in there?
No.
We can get some things. I totally didn't move. Be slaughtered, foul beast.
Die!
open. He's not even
I suck at grenade throwing with my non-dominant hand.
That scared me, bro.
I thought I was about to die.
Yeah, you're gone.
Behind you. Oh, you're blue. I'm light green.
Yeah, light green matches it. What is that? Oh gosh,
I'm lying.
It's time to start running. I see angry ogre.
I think it's this way. I see an angry ogre. Die.
He actually got
Help me. Oh, it's dead.
he died.
What'd I get? Oh, yeah.
He missed.
Oh, God. Oh,
Die,
no.
monkey.
No, you're gonna die. You did a bad choice. Behind you. There's another ogre.
Oh gosh.
Please revive me, man.
Just help me.
That was
kill
a
him.
bad choice. You did many bad choices on that one.
Help.
Are you dead?
Yeah.
You made bad choices on that one.
I was still attacked.
You made.
Go get her stuff back.
Wait, no,
Oh.
I can't buy anything.
Yeah, I'm just gonna use this real quick. Cause I don't want to die again, do you?
Bro. Do you know how many angry comments and stuff we're gonna get with that? We gotta put self out or something.
Let's take some chickie.
Do not take the chickie. You're violating the rules.
Ah! It doesn't have eye sockets. Yeah, I just realized we don't have our things.
Yeah, because you exploded me, and then you started taking on two ogres that we weren't prepared for.
This way.
You made a lot of bad choices in 2 seconds. A lot of bad choices. Okay, that one is not mine. That one is not mine. This stuff is mine.
Yeah, I just found out where it is. Oh, I thought the tree was an ogre.
Yeah. See, I was going in the right direction. I don't think these clams will anger Lalorona.
Lalorona's actually pretty chill.
Yeah. As long as you don't flashbang her. Oh God, the mask is gone.
Time to dip.
Why is there no mask anymore?
No, the new update.
Okay, let's go get the key.
Oh yeah, that's so true.
You're so right. No steps on landmine. Steer clear of the middle because of landmines, okay?
I know where it is. Not over here. Found another rusty pipe.
Ooh, why is it blue?
Do not follow the way. Oh, I don't know, cause I'm kind of scared now. How is she spawning?
She's not spawning, she's just yelling at us. Get out of my house!
I don't know where it is. I'm kind of scared.
I think it's this way.
Yeah, I think it's this way, guys.
That thing sucks at its job.
Yeah, I forgot to pick up my ammo. I have a gun. Found another rusty pipe.
I found the key.
Didn't we all?
Grab one.
Should we get one as a light source?
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Keep one as a light source.
I'm keeping one as a light source.
We have to use one eventually. Can we get another one? No!
Yes, this is a light source.
Okay. New light source acquired. Hold up, let me...
I'm gonna take this.
My light source behind me? Oh yeah.
I need to get this one. Okay, that's
I'm gonna put the key in my.
hip slot.
Yeah. Let's go. That is not the way out. Yes, more keys.
Okay, I'm just gonna take another light source, then we'll use them. Because you never know. You never know, man.
You're so right. Let me stick one right there. Oh gosh, which way is my head supposed to? Yeah, I don't think this is supposed to bother her, so I think we're safe.
Yeah, bro. Let's just.
Kind of leave.
No, let's wait for him to respawn.
Yes, we can get an infinite one.
Okay, let's go farther out. Totally don't.
Yeah, let's go farther out, guys.
I wonder if I can block the flashbang with an umbrella. Why is it running?
I think it's scared of us.
It's frozen. It does not work.
Who needs an MRE?
I think I'm good. I'm full health.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need it the moment I almost die. Last time I got
Where'd the gold bar come from and what room are we in?
Totally not the same exact room that we were in. Oh. Yeah, did it just update?
Okay. Oh, no, I think it was right here or something.
No. Twin, no it wasn't.
I think we're in the wrong room.
Why do we, didn't it just get an update?
Bro, what is with Animal Company?
We were in here, we were in this one.
This one?
Yes.
Where are
There's a
you?
key. I'm right here.
I'm in the wrong room. Yes, in here.
Do you see the key?
Yeah. Okay, let's unlock it.
Yeah, let's go unlock it. Yeah, I just ate the MR. Yeah, let's go. Getting kind of bored.
Yeah, yours my skip. Woo! I can see in the dark. Let's go. I'm gonna just. Oh God, the keys are gone. It takes all of our keys.
Oh no!
No. We'll come back later, okay?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna close my umbrella. Because on this one, guys,
it hurts. Okay, let's go. If you die, I'm not coming back. Ow.
let's go. Ow!
I know. It's weird. Remember that one time we were just playing around and the game updated on us?
Oh yeah.
We were like stuck in a wall.
Yes, it did.
Oh!
Weren't we playing in sewers?
Yeah, we were playing in sewers.
Yeah, we were playing in sewers, guys, yeah, we were just trying to get some crates and stuff and play around with them. Play around with whatever was inside of it and then trying to.
Yeah, we were trying to do an unboxing video.
And the moment we tried picking up the box, boom, new update.
Yeah.
This is not the first time it happens. My friend was walking down a hall that did not have a turn, but it somehow happened.
Oh.
Damian grr, oete, 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 Damian grr.
Where do I want to go? I don't know.
Don't make the video too long.
Yeah, or else it'll get boring. Let's do something fun.
everybody, today we're going into the mines.
Grab your second pipe if you have one.
Oh, no, wait. I got one.
Yes.
Let's sell this baby. See how much it gives us. Sure, if it gives us
Oh, are you
$300.
selling? What are you even selling?
Selling an item that I got from mining. Somehow it's stuck on my umbrella.
Oh, you're out of safe zone. I forgot.
Let's go to thing.
I'm gonna put clams on the end of these.
Let's do a next video, guys. If we can, let's do a next video where we defeat the shadow boss with only rusty pipes.
Yep. Well, not with only. We'll go mining and then we'll end it.
Mhm.
Get ready for part 2. Bro, make sure to keep all your stuff that you've had from this part.
I think when you leave, you lose all your goop.
No, just like put it in the bag. And then once we come back, we'll just put it back.
I think the viewers can hear that.
Yeah, the viewers can. We aren't technically cheating because we're not using the bag for anything. We're just using.
was right. You can't mine. Okay, guys, we're only gonna defeat it with rusty pipes, but when we get rich enough, we might use drills. Do a game where, let's do a challenge where we start from stick and we upgrade.
Oh yeah.
Each milestone we have.
Mhm. Yep. We have to do the quest from the board.
Nah, bro.
The stick, and we have to defeat mobs.
No, stick. But when we mine and we get like $25, we upgrade to that milestone.
Yeah. We have to spend all of our money to make that video. But once it's done,
It would be so peak.
bro. Oh, well. Do you think we should end it here?
Yeah. All right, guys, come back for part 2 when our headsets
Come
are
back
fully
for part 2. Oh, sorry.